Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Techno Talks here. So in today's video I have another unboxing for y'all, and today we're going to be checking out the Spigen ArcField magnetic wireless charger. So this is basically what Spigen came up with after Apple released their MagSafe charger. So here's the MagSafe charger, and they basically made their own type of MagSafe charger. So it's really cool that they made this, since it's actually a lot cheaper than the actual MagSafe charger Apple sells, and it delivers the same amount of power. And since Spigen is a pretty big company and I've been using their product for a while, I actually trust that this product will work really well indeed. So let's go ahead and begin. So here we have the box right here. They give you a quick image of what it looks like, and also with the iPhone right there, and then they have a Spigen logo, they give the name, and it says for iPhone 12 series, but now that the iPhone 13 is released, it is for the iPhone 13s as well. So this will basically work with any device, any iPhone that has MagSafe. So next year, if Apple doesn't change up their MagSafe system, this will work with that as well. So let's go ahead and begin. So it says magnetic charger right here, Spigen logo on the left side, and then it says something you want right here, and then it also gives you some stuff right here. So Spigen ArcField magnetic wireless charger, air boost, overheat protection, intelligent safety, and 24-month hassle-free warranty, which is really nice. So input is going to be output is going to be 5 watts and 7.5 watts. So this will actually give the same charging speeds as the normal MagSafe charger that Apple actually sells. So that's really nice to know. You're not losing any power, and it's just a cheaper option. I believe this was $25 when I purchased it, and it actually took a while for it to come because Spigen hadn't actually released it completely yet, and so I was waiting a little while, but I finally got it, and here it is. So this will be a cheaper option compared to the actual MagSafe charger, and you will get the same charging speeds as well. So let's go ahead and unbox this. So very simple. We do have some tape on here, which I will go ahead and cut. Let's go ahead and get that cut right there, and on this side right there, boom. So that's it. We have a pull tab, and here we have our device. So if I can actually manage to take it out of its box, boom. So we just pull it out. Sorry about that. We just pull it out. We do get something else inside of here as well. So need help, we're prepared. Thank you, share your experience, whatever. So nothing you need right there. We also get a quick instruction manual, I believe, which you probably won't need to read. It's pretty simple. And here we have our device. So let's go ahead and take this out. It comes in a little baggie. The cable is tucked in. So the cable, you can't remove it from the charger, which is kind of annoying, but it is what it is. And personally, it hasn't really affected me with the original MagSafe charger either, so I believe it will be perfectly fine. So one thing right away that I noticed is this cable is actually a little too thin, and this might actually break on you. Here we have the MagSafe one right here, and you can probably already tell that it is thinner than that, and it feels a little flimsy, so that might be an issue. But I will have to use it until I can actually give you guys an explanation on that, or my thoughts on it. So let's go ahead and begin. So here we have our USB-C. It is Type-C, which is nice, so you can connect it to the same adapter you actually connect your MagSafe charger to. And the dimensions, it is a little bigger, a tad bit bigger than the MagSafe charger. I don't believe that will be an issue, and let's go ahead and just open this up. So let's unravel this. Boom. I can actually manage to do that, boom, right there, and we get a pretty good amount of cable. So here is our cable. As I said, it does feel a little flimsy. However, I think this is a tad bit longer than the one we get with the MagSafe charger. Nope, it's actually a little bit shorter than that. As you can see, I'm holding it at the tip for both of them, and the MagSafe charger goes a little bit more. That is okay, since usually you will probably just have this staying in the same place. I personally do that. It's just next to my bedside table, and I just keep it on there when I'm charging at night. So here is our ArcField charger, our Power ArcField magnetic wireless charger. So let's go ahead and actually plop our iPhone right here. And here we have our phone on it. So let's go ahead and do a quick test, and whoa. So the magnets aren't really strong. They actually won't hold on really well. Let's go ahead and get the MagSafe charger right here just for comparison. Here's the MagSafe charger, and I could shake it and the phone still stays on, which is really nice. But with this one right here, the ArcField, it's not actually staying on really well. Just falls off when you move it just a tad bit, so that's kind of a disappointment. This is very similar to Spigen's MagSafe compatible case as well. They actually have a MagSafe compatible case, and the magnets on that were pretty bad as well. They weren't actually sticking onto the MagSafe charger, and they weren't even holding it. So that's kind of a bummer, I guess. Since it is a cheaper device, I guess that's what you'd expect. Maybe Apple just makes their own products better, which is pretty normal, but the magnets on these aren't really strong. So let me go ahead and plug this in just to see how the charging works. So here I have it plugged in now. Just go ahead and plop our iPhone on top of it, and here it is charging. So it's basically like a normal Qi wireless charger, but with a magnet on it. The magnet is a little weak, which is kind of annoying, but if you're not trying to hold your phone with the cable, then you probably shouldn't have any issues with it. You can still hold it around like this and it will not actually fall off unless you tug a little bit. It will come off, but overall it's a pretty good product. As I said, it is only $25, and it's around like 15 bucks cheaper than the actual MagSafe charger. And so I guess if you want a cheaper option, this is one that you could actually consider. However, let me go ahead and tell you guys that the magnet is not as strong as the original MagSafe charger. So that's basically gonna wrap it up for this video. That is basically all I want to talk about this charger. As I said, we get the same charging speeds. However, the magnets aren't strong. They aren't as strong as the original, or the MagSafe charger that Apple makes. So that is a bummer, but I guess it's okay if you don't plan to move it around too much or hold it by the actual MagSafe compatible charger that you're using. So that will basically wrap it up for this video. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. It really helps support the channel, and see you in the next one.